Brush up on your dental care with today's professional, featuring Lima Dental Associates, where you'll always receive state-of-the-art technology with state-of-the-heart care.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's professional. Today, in the studio, Dr. Eric Rizzavato, as well as Dr. Wesley Shankland from Lima Dental Associates. Good morning.
Good morning, George.
Dr. Eric, I understand you have a new face that you want to introduce us to for Lima Dental.
That's right, George. Today I'd like to introduce you and your viewers to Dr. Wesley Shankland. Dr. Shankland has an extreme amount of expertise in the area of craniofacial pain, head and neck pain, headaches, TMJ disorder, as well as a Ph.D. in anatomy, and he's also works in our sleep area in the practice on sleep apnea. Dr. Wes Shankland has done extensive lecturing around this nation and even outside the country, and he's considered an expert in these areas of pain and TMJ and head and neck anatomy. And we're very blessed to have him back in Lima, and I say that because he is a local Lima boy. And
yes,
so,
I recognize
Dr. Wes, I'll turn it over to you.
Well, thank you, Dr. Rizzavato, and George, thank you. It's nice to see you again
Good
after all
to see
these
you
years.
there. Yeah.
I left Lima in '71 and went to Ohio State and did my training there, and came back and opened a practice in Columbus. And I've been treating people with facial pain and temporomandibular joint problems and headaches since that time. And we've also incorporated now sleep apnea, those kind of things, because a lot of people suffer with obstructive sleep apnea. It's a dangerous problem for people. So I've been doing that in Columbus for a long time, but Dr. Rizzavato and I became good friends, and he asked me to come and join him here in Lima Dental Associates. So it's amazing to come back to my former hometown.
Oh, well, good to have you back.
Thank you. We're right beside the QP, so that's great. And we had a good time because I can tell you, I've been all over the world. I've been all over through all kinds of dental offices and medical offices. And I can't tell you how good this office is. This is the finest office I've ever seen. The assistants, the hygienists, the staff at the front are wonderful. I've never seen. I wish my office all the time could be this good. They are wonderful here.
You're too kind, Wes.
No, I'm honest. This is the finest office I've ever seen.
Well, very nice. Dr. Eric, I understand that Dr. Shankland's going to be back for a program also to talk to us.
That's right. We look forward to having Dr. Wes back on your show. He'll talk a little bit more about pain and TMJ and the things that he does. Yeah, we are very thankful to have Wes here in town and glad to have him back and glad to see that he gets to reconnect with people he went to high school
Well,
with.
that's a long time ago.
It was just yesterday, George. I'm sure you remember.
Thank you. Any final words?
Just remember to keep smiling, sharing, and caring, George.